What's going on, my friends? So if you have a lot of plants in your house, like I do, then you know that gnats can be a huge issue. They attract a lot of gnats. And so what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to turn these window fly traps that I bought from Walmart for $1, and you get like 4 of them. This is it right here. You just peel off the backing, and then it's really sticky, and then you actually stick these to a window right there. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. So this is the window fly trap, and you stick that to a window, and it when the flies or gnats or fruit flies fly on there, they stick and they die. So I'm gonna show you how to do that around your plants, and here's the proof. They're all stuck on here, and they're dead. So I'm going to show you how to make one. All you're going to need is some window fly traps. You can use some toothpicks, or you can use a little wooden skewer right here, and a pair of scissors. So what we're going to do is just cut a piece about like this. Okay, then we're going to take a toothpick. Let's find the sticky part. Okay, so as you can see, it just peels right off, right like that. This is the sticky part. So you take your little toothpick and just like stick the toothpick on there. I like that. Now I'm going to show you what we're going to do with this. Okay, so let's take our little thing. Here's where all your gnats like to be attracted, is to these plants. So you just stick it down in there, right like that, and the gnats will stick to it. Now I'll show you some proof. I got one right there. As you can see, it's got some gnats on it. Actually, you know what? Since I already have one there, let's put one on a plant I don't have. So here's a plant, and we can just stick this right down there. Right down there. Right like that. Here's another plant that I have. I used the skewer wood for this one, but there's one. It's got a couple gnats on it. Here's another one. As you can see, got gnats on it. Here's another one. And you just change the size. You can make them as big or as small as you want, but as you can see, it's got some gnats on it. So if you have a lot of plants like me, implement these gnat traps into your home, and you'll really see a big difference. If you liked this video and you found it valuable, click right here for a video where I did a water faucet in a shower. Had a lot of hard water spots all over it, and I completely transformed it and removed those hard water spots. So if you found this video valuable, click right here and you'll find that video valuable as well. Till next time, see you on the next video.